Hello everyone, welcome back to Foxtecc. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to transfer videos from your iPhone to your computer. This process can vary depending on whether you're using a Windows PC or a Mac, but don't worry, I'll walk you through all the options. Let's get started. First, let's talk about the most straightforward method, which is using a cable. This method is highly reliable and works especially well if you have an iPhone and a Windows machine. Here's what you need to do. Make sure you have the right cable to connect your iPhone to your computer. Some laptops might only have USB-C or USB-A ports, so ensure you have the correct cable or an adapter if needed. Once you connect your iPhone to your computer, you'll see a prompt on your iPhone screen asking if you trust this computer. Tap Trust to continue. On your Windows computer, open File Explorer and locate your iPhone under the Devices section. You'll find your iPhone listed there, and you can access the photos and videos stored on it. Simply drag and drop or copy and paste the video files from your iPhone to your local drive on your computer. It's that easy. Now, if you're using a Mac, the process is a bit different, but still straightforward. When you connect your iPhone to your Mac using a cable, you'll also need to tap Trust on your iPhone. Your Mac might prompt you to sync all your photos and videos with the Photos app. If you don't want to sync everything, you can use a third-party app like Commander One. This app allows you to mount your iPhone and browse its contents, making it easy to drag and drop videos to your Mac without syncing everything. Another great advantage of using a Mac is the ability to use AirDrop. AirDrop allows for quick over-the-air file transfers between Apple devices. To use AirDrop, simply open the Photos app on your iPhone, select the video you want to transfer, tap the share icon, and choose AirDrop. Make sure your Mac is discoverable in AirDrop, and then select your Mac from the list. The video will be transferred wirelessly and appear in your Downloads folder on your Mac. If you're working with a Windows computer and want to transfer files wirelessly, you can use a third-party service like Snapdrop. Snapdrop works similarly to AirDrop, but is compatible with any device on the same local network. Open a web browser on both your iPhone and Windows PC and go to snapdrop.net, http://snapdrop.net. Once both devices recognize each other, you can tap on the computer icon on your iPhone, select the video, and transfer it wirelessly. So, to summarize, whether you're using a cable or wireless method, transferring videos from your iPhone to your computer is quite simple. Just choose the method that works best for your setup and preferences. And that's how you transfer videos from your iPhone to your computer. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to Foxtecc for more tech tutorials and tips. Thank you for watching. Peace.